Model: 65-plate Peugeot Bipper diesel 1.3 HDi 75S, SLD, body, white, panel van mileage, 113000 MOT. The 14th of November 2023 engine, 1248 cc F13 DTE5 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs on easy start. BCM needs replacing, engine clutch and gearbox should all be good. Body control module had been removed. Sent off, never came back. Easy repair for someone who knows what they're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, 2,825.